Welcome to episode number 7. And in this episode, I'm going to go ahead and test the system that we have just built. So, in the last episode, I showed you that how you can go ahead and create a project inside any AI that you're using, upload all the files, and get your system ready. But before using this system to generate all resources for our business, copy, email, or anything that you want to make sure that we have everything to build a robust system that generates and run our entire business system. Okay. To do that, we have created a validation process that checks everything in your business, all the documents that you created, all the four core documents, and it makes sure that it aligns with the system that we have created so it can create a robust high ticket coaching business for you. Okay. Now, to do that, you have to just follow a really simple process. First of all, go to the business validation document. You can find this document inside all the folders that you get, and this is the business validation document. All you have to do is click here, copy and copy this entire thing, close this, and just paste it in the chat. Okay, and then all you have to do is hit enter. That's it. From there, your business, this AI will go ahead and check everything, all the files, including your brain clone document, your target audience, your high ticket offer document, your brand identity document, with all the seven different OS AI agents that we have created, and they should match the system that sells methodology. That means it should help you to create a high ticket offer which is based on our proven system and process. Okay, now if there is anything missing, this system will go ahead and let you know that this is missing and that you can go ahead and create it. So that means if you are like not that much aware with this process and you are still thinking that okay, I have to create brain clone document, target audience, and a high ticket offer and a brand identity, but still you are not sure about all the answers and you have half filled all the details. That's completely fine because this AI will help you to create all of that all automatically with this AI. So you don't have to manually sit down and do all the things yourself. This AI will guide you through the entire process. It tells you how much ready your business is to actual launch and it how good it is, whether it's really good or not, whether your audience will like it or not, whether you are ready to make it big or not. Okay, so it tells you everything. You just have to go through the prompts. Now, here's the thing. Okay, just make sure uh, this will actually see that whatever the documents you have filled out, whether all the details that you have filled in is good enough to build the entire funnel and run your business as well or not. If not, it will help you to create it. If it's good enough, it will let you know. Okay, so these are all the detection it will go through. So it is checked that you have it has detected the brain clone document, target audience, high ticket offer document, brand and identity, and it has also checked all the 7 AI agents, and it has also checked the methodology document. So we have uploaded all the required documents. Now, if any of the documents would have missed, this system would have told us that hey, this document is missing and you need to upload this document. Only after that you can move forward. Okay. Now this is the next step. Before I generate the full multi-section output, step 1 through step 7, confirm one thing. Do you want final output delivered as one continuous message, very long document, or split into 7 outputs, or auto save each section into separate named file? Okay. Now, I highly recommend it to go with step 2, so you can see validation one by one and see where the problem is in your business. So it totally depends that how you want to go ahead and move forward and validate system. So we'll go ahead and move with let's go with this one by one and see what are the things that we have in the system and what not. Okay, and I'll show you that how it really works and why it is important to go through this validation, and you will be able to clearly see that once you go through this validation, how this validation makes your system robust. Okay, now first of all the output format confirmation that what do you want? You want a full detailed version, very detailed one, a concise operation, short, sharpen, implementation focus, still complete, but minimal wording, and a hybrid version. So it depends that what you want. So I want a detailed one. Uh, let's go with a detailed one. So we can understand fully that like if you are on short on time, you can choose a concise operation as well. But I highly recommend if you do it for the first time, make sure you do this, a full version. And let's do this because the full version will give us more detail that what it is, what are the problems, where it is happening, and how you can go ahead and fix it, and actually how you can go ahead and fix it. Okay. So core alignment is how the check is going to happen. So step number one is core alignment validation, where it will go ahead and check all the documents and everything, methodology, funnel, architect, psychological alignment, market reality, price justification, guarantee exposure, funnel, compliant, and STS. So these are the all checks it will go through, and it will tell you that whether it's pass or it's a warning or it's a fail, and you need to solve it immediately. Okay, why impact required fix, and tell you that what is the fix. Okay, now number one, plain clone offer. Yes, it's past that our plain clone has the um, offer has all the voice and all the details of our voice and everything, and we can see our personality in the offer. Audience is fit for the offer. So if you create an offer where your audience does not fit with the offer, this system will let you know. Okay, this is how powerful it is. So we don't have to do anything because I've created this entire funnel in a very detailed way. I've created my offer in a very detailed way. I took really long time. That's why I'm not seeing error. But if you're doing for the first time, you will see it. Okay. Funnel or offer logic alignment. Does your offer fit with the funnel that you're creating? So we don't need to fix anything. Guaranteed can be enforced with confidence. Okay. Yes. So offer sales process alignment. Does your offer align with the sales process that I'm following? So if I have an offer, but I'm trying to sell it using a completely unique funnel that nobody has ever tried or not proven to work, it will let you know that, hey, don't do this. Okay. But the offer I've created with the sales process aligns really good. So I'm using qualification, expectation setting, system first framing, no discounting, proof based realization. Okay. So this is why like it's good enough to move forward. Offer delivery is feasible. So I'm delivering 40-day build plus 90-day optimization is fully mapped. The offer document, including SOPs, sequencing of expectation. So you have highly structured, non-chaotic delivery mechanism. So yes, it's good as well. Audience awareness. So content strategy fit. Okay, your audience is aware but overwhelmed. They respond well to simple system like yes. So the whatever the content strategy I have fit with the audience that I'm targeting. So it makes sure that when you create content, you are targeting the right people. Okay. Brand and identity. Yes, it's good as well. Price market reality. Yes, my offer. So I'm targeting headache coaches and selling this done for you program for 4 lakhs. So yes, it underpriced compared to international equivalent. Yes. So yes, I don't have to do anything with the pricing as well. The promise mechanism AI powered client acquisition system with funnel automation The mechanism is both realistic and operational. So I don't have to fix anything in here. So whatever I'm promising, it's realistic and fit with the delivery as well. Okay. Guaranteed. Yes. So I'm guaranteeing that client posts. So I don't have a blind guarantee. So with my system, what I'm saying that, hey, if you want the system to work, I'll go ahead and build the entire system for you. But you also have to do some work as well. So we always tell our client that, hey, you have to post content regularly. That means 7 days a week. You don't have to, like, we can post automatically. You just have to create content for 7 days, all bunch in one day, and that's it. We'll post it for you. Okay. And you have to get the guaranteed results. You have to use the funnel that we have, okay, that we provide to you. You have to attend the calls and you have to report us that what you're doing in the business and how the numbers are doing, whether it's getting calls, getting leads, booking calls, or sales. You have to give us all the numbers so we can see that whatever you're doing in your business making sense or not, working for you or not, and whether you need updates or optimization or not. Okay, so if you do all these four things, the guarantee will apply to you, and in 90 days you will be able to double your revenue, or otherwise we'll go ahead and work for you for free for the entire year until you double your revenue, that you have double the revenue of the amount that you have invested with us. Okay, so funnel is STS score, yes. So your offer document explicitly uses the Chronicles STS funnel. So like I said that we don't go ahead and tell our client to use random funnel. We know that our funnel works, and this is the funnel that we uh, tell our clients to use, and this is the exact funnel we will build for them. But if they go ahead and try that's something else, yes, if you have a funnel and you are using our funnel as the main thing to run to get leads in your business, qualification and sales, but after that if you want to add something else, you can go ahead and do that, but primarily you have to use our funnel to get the results. Okay, now overall the alignment status is pass action exceptional system integrity. Okay, now let's move on to the next step. You just have to the next step. That's it. Okay, this is where it will check that whether my business is ready or not for the launch. Okay, so it will go ahead and check based on critical readiness, domain profile, audience profile, offer document, brand identity, system methodology, foundational funnel architect. So it will check all these documents in detail, that whatever the details you have filled in all these documents is good enough or not to build, to create the content, build the funnel, to book the calls and close the calls and deliver the results for your own clients as well. Okay, so it will go ahead and tell you, and based on that, if you score anywhere from 85 to 100, it will tell you go. If not, it will tell you to fix critical things. If not, it will, if below 70 score, you get below 70 score, you will get hold. Okay, so let's move on with this. So my offer strength is 98. So it has clarity of promise, mechanism, threat, delivery, completeness. And you know what? The system is checking all these things from the documents we have uploaded. Bring clone document, target audience documents, offer or document, and brand identity documents. That's why it is really important for you to create all those documents in a very detailed way. Okay. Now, we don't need to know published case study yet. So it is telling us that, okay, what is the minor detection? Why it's not 100 or 100 out of 100. We have to add some case studies. That's it. Okay. Market fit. Yes, our offer is market fit 95 out of 100. What is the minor detection? Okay. Require consistent content to warm the market, manageable. Okay, it's manageable. So when we go ahead and create content, we will add all the content strategy in here, and then it will be able to see that, okay, we are doing it. Okay. Funnel readiness. Okay, what we have, non-meaningful 100 is reserved for fully built funnel, not blueprint. So we have the exact blueprint that, okay, we are going to use the traffic, opt-in assessment, scoring, routing, and booking. We call sales. This is our funnel. So the reason it's not 100 because we have not fully built the funnel live. It's just on the paper. When we build the funnel, we'll get 100 score. Okay. Now, fourth is content engine readiness, 92 out of 100. What we have is no public library of proof content yet, and frequency depend on the founder consistency. Okay, so these are the things that you need to fix. So we don't have any content on social media, but otherwise our hook bank is ready, script is ready, that AI will be able to create hook for us. Content to funnel sequencing is when audience awareness match, founder voice is consistency. So we have all the documents aligned with each other. That's why we will be able to create really good content. Then sales system readiness is also 96 out of 100. Sales role must maintain founder discipline. Okay. Automation readiness is 94 out of 100. We don't have to do anything. Delivery readiness is 99 out of 100. Okay. So we have like all the things that we are going to deliver. We have 14 days delivery SOP, 90-day optimization, modules properly sequenced, accountability. Like it's like bang on. So brand positioning is also 96. So yes, readiness score is 97 out of 100. So yes, we can definitely launch our offer like right now. Let's go through the next step. Just type in next step. Now the crazy part is that, guys, so I'm showing you all these stuff. So because I want to help you understand that how to build an elite coaching business. But in reality, if you become our client, you don't have to go through all these things. We go through all these things for you and build the entire coaching business for you. That's the crazy part. So, but still, I wanted to go ahead and show you all these things. So yeah. So this is the master blueprint step. Next thing. Okay. So this is where it is telling you everything about your business, that how it looks like and what people will see. You operate, how you are as a founder. This is line for you. What are your core philosophy and offer mechanism, uh, about your audiences. So you can see that, okay, what are the things that you have written are like bang on or not, or if you want to edit or update anything, you can do that here. So yeah, this is all the details about your offer. So your foundation, and this is 14 days delivery process, 90-day delivery. So what will happen on the day one, day 2 to 14, 15 to 45, 46 to 90, what are the things going to happen? Okay. So yeah, all the things, this is your guarantee and this is the investment of your offer. So this is where you can see all the things in one place. So business model flow, high level. Okay. Front end conversion, back end flow. So this is your funnel flow, how your business will run, and yes, all the things. And then here we have funnel architecture, how our funnel will look like. So content, opt-in, thank you, question assessment. This is our entire funnel. And then the traffic source. So we are going to use Instagram, pay ads, and then LinkedIn and YouTube later on. Yeah, make some adjustment because like, oh man, it's tiring. Okay, so this is the sales system snapshot. Qualification rules, that how we qualify someone and how we see someone as qualified leads. The prospect must have consistent revenue, have sold their offer multiple times, Stuck due to systems, be coachable, ready to follow the 14 days. Booking rule must complete assessment, meet the score threshold, uh, must accept expectation, must confirm calendar slot. Yes. Okay, close, diagnose, map, things like that. Okay. Oh man, like brand guideline summary, how your brand actually look like, everything. Key risk and capacity limits of our system risk, client non-compliances, poor quality, audiences, low assessment rate. Wait, let me move things here. Okay. Sorry guys, because I'm feeling like my leg is like broken, you know that, and that's why I'm like a bit. I was moving the table. Ooh. Okay. Keep moving. All right. Everything. Okay, so step three is complete. Here you can see everything. If you want to update anything, you can go ahead and do that. Now, what are the benchmarks? And what you see, your opt-in rate should be about 30 to 45%. Assessment completion should be 25 to 45%. Booking rate should be 80 to 25%. Show up rate should be 60 to 85, and close rate should be 20 to 35. If it's any lower than that, the system needs update. That's the whole thing. Okay. Now let's do step two, next step. All right, so it will go ahead and check your entire funnel flow diagram, that how your funnel looks like and what happens. Okay, so we'll go ahead and post Instagram Reels, DM conversation automation, lead magnet CTA, call to action, organic posts. So prospect clients on opt-in once they go through this process, and from opt-in to lead magnet delivery, form submission, tag applied, lead magnet. Okay, so it's a very detailed process, step-by-step process, that how someone go from like complete stranger to qualified leads. You can check the entire process. Okay, now interpret the system. Okay, yes, good. Mermaid funnel diagram. Oh, okay. So next step. So this is where you can see that whatever the details you have filled inside the document, how all these things are coming along, and what kind of content or system it is going to build. Okay, so you can fix things or update things wherever you see like, okay, it's going in different direction. This is why this business validation thing is like really important. So pre-built fix list. So what are the things that we need to fix? Critical. Okay. Why finalize lead magnet asset? So we need to create the uh, lead magnet. So we will be able to do it when we actually go ahead and create it. Final questions in the assessment. We need to create assessment questions. Guarantee add to onboarding template. So we have to create onboarding document and add the guarantee in it, and make sure that client know exactly what they need to do to activate the guarantee. Okay. Incorrect expectation setting. Following is not copy on the booking page, so it is exactly telling you what to do. Then funnel routing logic. Why dangerous? Any missing condition? Okay, confirm 1 to 2 nature score page value. Okay. So yes. Oh, important task, but you can ignore it. Pre-call nurture tone calibration. All the things that you need to focus on, okay? So you can often break stone and can lose. Okay. All right, guys. So this is these are all the fixes it's telling us. So if you don't really have to fix it right now, you can go ahead and apply all these fixes while creating the content. But like you see, can see that 97% of out of 100 rating we got. So we don't really have to do like a lot here. We just need to go through all the fixes. Okay. Now let's move on to the next step. So this is where it is checking all the funnel logic, how everything is happening inside your system. So we don't have no confusion, no rework, no inconsistent messaging, or no collision, no. So it's like good to go. So we are ready to go with the next step. Panel package, okay, ready to export. Okay, so look at this, guys. We got 97 reading and we have like almost everything. And this is our business blueprint system that sells. So it has created your entire business system right here. And this is the funnel flow diagram. This is these are all the fixes that you can go ahead and look at all the fixes. Copy and paste this entire thing, and while you're creating the actual funnel, you can go ahead and make sure you fix all the things. Okay, so step 7, complete your full package deliver. Your business validation OS is now 100% complete. You are officially cleared for the 14-day system build with no structural risk. If you like, I can package these into Google Doc, things like that. Okay, so now as you can see that our entire system is ready to go. We got 97 reading. There are few fixes that we need to make sure added, but these are all the things that will go ahead and when we'll build the system and actual system, the funnel. Right now, everything is in the theory, in the books, in the documents. But when we'll go ahead and build all these things, we will be able to see, okay, what are the things I'm missing, add it in the system and let the system know, and then we will be ready, okay? So yeah, that's it, guys. That's what I want to go ahead and share with you. So in the last video, I showed you how to build a system with by using just 4 core documents. Along with after that, we have built everything for you. You can just take it, build all these things for you, for yourself, validate it with this long process. But once you build it, you have like literally everything for your coaching business to build a like really good enterprise level high ticket coaching business. Okay, and you can validate it. If you see anything missing, the system will actually show you, like it showed me, that how to fix it and how to make your business ready to launch. So that's it for this episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching. In the next episode, from the next few episode, I'll actually show you that how I'm taking all these documents, how I'm using this validation process to build my actual funnel where you can see the actual landing pages, opt-in pages, actual email, sales script, and everything that I build for myself, and actually go ahead and sell this to real clients. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.